guys, this is Jazz from BUW. Welcome. Come with me so I can show you guys the deals and the sales that we have going on for Black Friday. So we do have our 360 lace wigs, and we have our 220 density 4x4 closure wigs going for $25 off, guys. So I want to show you some of the 4x4s that we have. We've got the straight hair, bone straight. It's really soft. We've got the deep wave hair. Everybody loves the deep bohemian look. It's really soft, very much can detangle. And then we also have the body wave, which is always a favorite. And then also we do have the water wave in the 4x4 as well. Okay. Then we have the 360 lace, guys. I know everybody wants to put their hair up in a nice ponytail, do different versatile styles with it. We also have the water wave here. You can straighten her and you can wet her and go about your day.